Welcome to the world of Ayurveda. Namaste everyone. Ayurveda is one of the most ancient systems of medicine in India and is gift to the world. This ancient most healthcare system originated with the origin of universe. It is believed that with the inception of human life on earth, Ayurveda started being applied. The antique Vedic texts have scattered references of Ayurvedic remedies and allied aspects of medicine and health in Atharva Ved. That is why Ayurveda is said to be the offshoot of Atharva Veda. Let us first understand about this holistic system of Indian medicine. What is Ayurveda? Ayurveda is the mother of all healings. It is the science of longevity with quality life. To know about Ayurveda, first we should understand the basic concept of Ayurveda. The word Ayurveda derived from two words Ayur and Ved. Ayur means Ayush, life. Ved means knowledge. Ayurveda is the science of life. Definition of Sharir or body. Dosh dhatu mal moolam hi shariram. Three types of doshas, energies, 7 types of dhatus, body tissues, and 3 types of malas, waste, are the basic substances of a person's body. Definition of Ayurveda. Hitahitam sukham dukham ayustasya hitahitam manam chataccha yatroktam ayurveda sa uchyate. Ayurveda is a science which describes the advantageous, disadvantageous, happy and unhappy state of life, in addition to what is good and bad for life and its span. The definition of health according to Ayurveda. समदोषः सम अग्निश्च समधातुमलक्रियः प्रसन्नात्मेन्द्रियमनः स्वस्थ इत्यभिधीयते. When 3 types of doshas, 13 types of agnis, 7 types of dhatus and 3 types of malas are in balance, and Atma, the soul, Indriya, 5 senses, and Mana, mind, are happy, then a person is healthy. The principle of Ayurveda is swasthasya swasthya rakshanam aturasya vikar prashmanam cha. Promotion of health, prevention of disease, and holistic management of disease is the Ayurvedic approach of health and disease. According to Ayurveda, the basic 5 elements of the nature are known as Panch Mahabhut. Panch means 5. Akash, space or ether. Air, Vayu. Agni, fire. Jal, water. Prithvi, earth. These 5 elements are present in universe and in human body in same ratio. According to Panch Mahabhut theory, Vayu dosha is made up of Akash and Vayu Tattva, Pitta dosha is made up of Agni Tattva, and Kapha dosha is made up of Jal and Prithvi Tattva. When all these doshas are in equilibrium, then the person will be healthy, and when these are not in balance, the person will be unhealthy or disease will come. Depending on the properties of three doshas, three types of body constitutions are described in Ayurveda. Ayurveda describes 6 seasons in 12 months. Each season falls in 2 months. These seasons are Shishir, Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant. The tradition of Dincharya daily routine and Ritucharya seasonal regimen are the powerful Ayurvedic tools for improving overall health and well being. Ritucharya is ancient Ayurvedic practice and is consist of lifestyle and Ayurvedic diet routine to cope with the bodily and mental impacts caused by seasonal changes. Each season has different effect on our body. According to Ayurveda, year is divided into two periods, each containing 3 seasons, Uttarayan and Dakshinayan. In Uttarayan is cold months and Dakshinayan is warm months. Healthy or unhealthy state depends upon the accumulation of dosh, excessive local accumulation of dosh, and auto-pacification of dosh. Ayurveda gives importance to healthy living and prevention of disease rather than treatment of disease. Let us adopt Ayurveda, stay healthy, stay safe.